Hello, nature lovers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the wild. Today, we're going on an adventure into the world of one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, the fox. These elusive animals have intrigued humans for generations. With their pointy ears, bushy tails, and clever minds, foxes have captured our imaginations for centuries. Their cunning nature and adaptability make them truly remarkable. Foxes are found all over the world, from the snowy Arctic to the scorching desert. Each species has evolved to thrive in its unique environment. They come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique features and adaptations. From the small Fennec fox with its large ears to the thick-furred Arctic fox, diversity is their strength. But one thing remains the same. Foxes are incredibly smart and resourceful animals that play a vital role in their ecosystems. They are skilled hunters and foragers, always finding ways to survive. So put on your explorer hats, grab your binoculars, and let's embark on a journey to discover the wonders of these amazing creatures. Whether you're in a forest or a desert, there's always something new to learn about foxes. Get ready to be amazed by their beauty, intelligence, and the important role they play in the delicate balance of nature. Their playful behavior and intricate social structures are truly fascinating. Our adventure will take us through forests, across deserts, and even into our own backyards as we uncover the secrets of these cunning canines. Let's go! The world of foxes is waiting for us to explore. Did you know that there are over 20 different species of foxes found around the globe? These fascinating creatures inhabit a wide range of environments, from dense forests to arid deserts. That's right, the fox family is a diverse one. Each species has its own unique traits and adaptations that make them special. Perhaps the most well-known is the red fox, with its rusty red fur and black-tipped ears. These striking features make them easily recognizable. They are found across the northern hemisphere and are known for their adaptability. Red foxes can thrive in both urban and rural settings, showcasing their incredible versatility. Then there's the tiny Fennec fox of North Africa, with its oversized ears that help it stay cool in the desert heat. These ears also provide excellent hearing, allowing them to detect prey even underground. And let's not forget the Arctic fox, with its thick white coat that provides camouflage in snowy landscapes. This coat also keeps them warm in the freezing temperatures of the Arctic. From the mountains of Asia to the grasslands of South America, each fox species has adapted to thrive in its unique environment. Their ability to survive in such diverse habitats is truly remarkable. But no matter where they live, all foxes share certain characteristics: intelligence, adaptability, and a touch of wild charm. These traits make them one of the most intriguing animals in the wild. What makes a fox a fox? Is it their cleverness, their agility, or perhaps something more? Well, besides their intelligence and cunning, foxes have some pretty distinctive physical features that set them apart from other animals. One of the most recognizable features is their bushy tail, also known as a brush. This tail is not just a simple appendage. This magnificent tail isn't just for show. It serves several important purposes that are vital for the fox's survival. The tail helps foxes balance as they run and leap, acting like a counterweight, making their agile movements even more precise. It also provides warmth during cold winter months, wrapping around their bodies like a cozy blanket. And believe it or not, foxes use their tails to communicate with each other through scent and movement, conveying messages that are crucial for their social interactions. Then there are those iconic pointy ears, which are not just for show either. These ears are incredibly sensitive, allowing foxes to hear the slightest rustle of a leaf or the quiet squeak of a mouse, even from a distance. This exceptional hearing is crucial for hunting prey, especially in low-light conditions, making them efficient nocturnal hunters. Foxes are social animals, but their social structures vary depending on the species and the environment they live in. Some foxes, like the red fox, live in small family groups called leashes or skulks. A leash usually consists of a mated pair and their kits, baby foxes. The parents work together to raise their young, teaching them essential survival skills like hunting and avoiding danger. Foxes are excellent diggers and create underground dens for shelter and raising their young. These dens provide protection from predators and the elements. They often have multiple entrances and exits, allowing foxes to make a quick escape if needed. Section 5. On the Hunt. What's for dinner, Mr. Fox? Foxes are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet varies depending on what's available in their habitat and the time of year. A fox's keen senses of hearing and smell make them excellent hunters. They primarily prey on small mammals like rabbits, rodents, and birds. But they're also known to eat insects, fruits, berries, and even carrion, which are dead animals. When hunting, foxes use a technique called mousing. They stand on their hind legs, listening intently for sounds of prey beneath the ground. Then, with a powerful leap and a quick dive, they pounce. Section 6. Nature's Little Helpers. Foxes and the ecosystem. Foxes play a vital role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. As predators, they help control populations of rodents and other small animals. This is important because an overabundance of rodents can lead to crop damage and the spread of diseases. Foxes also help disperse seeds. Remember how we talked about foxes being omnivores? Well, when they eat fruits and berries, the seeds pass through their digestive system and are deposited back into the environment through their droppings. This helps plants spread and grow in new areas. So, while they may be small, foxes have a big impact on their surroundings. Their presence helps maintain balance and diversity in the natural world. Section 7. Dangers in the shadows. Threats to foxes. Sadly, foxes face many threats in the wild. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss due to human activities like deforestation, agriculture, and urban development. As humans continue to encroach on their natural habitats, foxes are losing their homes and struggling to find food and shelter. Another threat is hunting and trapping. In some areas, foxes are hunted for their fur or considered pests. Road accidents are also a danger, as more roads are built through their territories. It's important to remember that foxes play an important role in the ecosystem, and their decline can have ripple effects on other species and the environment as a whole. Section 8. Guardians of the Foxes. Protecting our wild friends. The good news is that there are people and organizations working hard to protect foxes and their habitats. Conservation efforts include protecting and restoring natural habitats, promoting responsible land management practices, and educating the public about the importance of coexisting with wildlife. Some organizations also work to rescue and rehabilitate injured or orphaned foxes and release them back into the wild whenever possible. By supporting these organizations and advocating for wildlife conservation, we can all play a part in ensuring a brighter future for foxes. Section 9. Lending a helping paw. How you can make a difference. Even though we may not all be wildlife biologists or conservationists, there are still things we can do to help protect foxes and other wildlife. Every little bit counts. One simple way is to learn more about foxes and other animals in your area. The more you know, the more you can appreciate and respect them. You can also help by reducing your impact on the environment. This includes things like reducing your carbon footprint, conserving water, and properly disposing of trash. And if you have a backyard, consider making it a wildlife-friendly habitat by by planting native plants and providing water sources. Section 10. Conclusion. Celebrating the spirit of the fox. As we've discovered on our journey, foxes are truly remarkable creatures. They are intelligent, adaptable, and play a vital role in the balance of nature. From their bushy tails to their cunning hunting skills, foxes embody the wild spirit of our planet. It's our responsibility to protect these amazing animals and ensure their survival for generations to come. By learning about foxes, appreciating their role in the ecosystem, and taking action to protect them, we can all make a difference. Let's celebrate the spirit of the fox and work together to create a world where both wildlife and humans can thrive.